Happy Tuesday, everyone. Very important and very powerful open. Right at the open, multiple trades are formed. Knowledgeable trader knows that. Knowledgeable trader knows how crucial 27.71.75 is. Because this is where we're expecting very sharp bearish pullback from. Trader who understands the importance of this target taking the profits off the table at this level. Large position 70-80% off. Stop outside of break-even. Small positions completely out. This is what you learn in the course. Crucial moment on S&P. When trade like this is formed, you don't need anything else. Your workday is over in a matter of minutes. Knowledgeable trader knows that. Knowledgeable trader doesn't operate like 95% does. Knowledgeable trader focuses on quality, never quantity of trades. And if I take a look on where this trade came from, I will remind you. Trend inception identified before market open. And if I convert this chart to 1, you will see why our bullish bias was bullish at the open. So, anyone surprised why we're expecting problems? Should not be. This is a big problem. Market taking a pause. In the course you learn this is your key target. No surprise. And if I take a look on any chart, any instrument, price does this every single time, no matter what you trade. And that's the power of the method. Ultimate simplicity, ultimate accuracy. That's the reason hedge fund managers, hedge fund traders in the course now. So, did we expect or did we expect the price would take a pause? Of course. Just a tick price does this. Do not be surprised. No indicator on the planet will give you this. Only price action and Fibonacci will. 12 years later, I prove to you every single day that nothing else matters. Only price and Fibonacci. So, while S&P taking a pause, and again, powerful bearish pullback expected from here. Let's walk down memory lane so you can see exact same levels on other instruments, because every single thing you learn in the course applies to any instrument, any time frame, any platform. So, here we go. What is on S&P 2.5 points from the point of entry? 2.5 points on S&P on one lot is $125. One lot $50, 1 point. Trader who starts with one lot after graduation of the course and shows consistent performance can reach 10 lots by the end of the year, adding 1 lot per month. On 10 lots it is $1,250. On 20 lots it is $2,500, which knowledgeable trader can trade slowly and surely, adding 1 lot per month by the end of 2 years. By the end of 5 years, this trader can be trading 50, 100 plus lots. So, if you can trade 1, which is the hardest number to trade, and you play by the rules, the skies are the limit. As knowledgeable trader knows, nothing else is needed. Thank you, traders. 5 lots for bread. Choice is yours. How many lots you choose to trade. Every single trader trades different account size. Hedge fund managers trading 7-8 figure accounts. Beginner traders trading few $1,000 account. Exact same strategy applies. That's what 5% does. Plays by the rules. Not chasing the markets, not schlepping random market orders, not wasting the time chasing indicator every other day a new one. All you need, one trade. Amazing, it never gets old. 3-minute trade, no stress. Boom. Bread is my dearest friend for life. What are we doing this weekend? We're doing webinar with graduates. This year I'm doing boot camp for graduates where I will be teaching ultimate way to trade. Less than 20 hours per week. Most of the time 10. For a knowledgeable trader, workday is over. Knowledgeable trader operates with sniper's mentality. Knowledgeable trader interested in quality. Never ever ever in quantity. So, stop outside of break even. We expect brutal response here. Price been taking a pause, no surprise. Again, trade is not I love reading the post. Boom! That was my weekly salary at Best Buy. 3-minute trade. This is the reason I live and breathe what I do. 3-minute lasted the trade. Nothing else is needed. Brad will be speaking and sharing what he does. Playing by the rules, the skies are the limit if you do. So, knowledgeable trader expects this response, crush and burn S&P. Time and time again, this is not the place to buy. This is a place to move your stop outside of break even, as very powerful crush and pullback expected. No surprise. Agree? Exact same thing S&P is doing on 1-minute chart is exact same thing S&P had done on weekly. This is your long-term investments. This was 2018. Very different strategy. Exact same Fibonacci levels. Knowledgeable trader adjusts trail even closer. No surprise what price is doing. This was exact same thing where Netflix was in 2018. Start of 2018 reminded you, doesn't matter how spectacular the earnings are. What matters is Fibonacci reversal, not the place to buy, the place to exit. And recently Netflix came out with spectacular earnings again, adding 10 million subscribers. Europe is booming, business is booming. So why in the world is Netflix collapsing? Because Fibonacci said so. Agree? And that's where we are right now. On little day trading chart at exact same Fibonacci level. Not the place to buy, the place to exit. We've been here for the last 10 minutes. That's a problem. This is the exact same place where Apple had been in 2018. Frozen for months first and then complete crash. All identified months in advance. No surprise where Apple rallying from. As Apple reached trend inception, one big obstacle remains. 181 key Fibonacci resistance present in front of you for years. Just to remind you, this is what Apple looked like exactly a year ago. At 181, struggling for months. Apple showing you Fibonacci reversal zone to follow. Not the place to buy, the place to exit. And that's exactly what Apple had done, as expected. And that's exact same place where S&P is now. So again, S&P remains hanging for dear life. This was identical dance on oil in 2018. Clear on that? And this is what oil had done next, reminding you 77 is not the place to buy, the place to exit. What did oil do next is no surprise. This is what oil looks now. Shock or not. This is what price does 80+% of the time. This is a core of mastery course. This is what we focus on every Thursday. And if you can trade this, you can trade anything you choose, including this. To the tick you see every day for the last 10 years. And if I would walk down memory lane and I would take a look on Amazon, no surprise. Not the place to buy, the place to exit. Spectacular earnings don't mean a thing. Fibonacci reversal zone mean everything. This is what Amazon looked like before it sold off. Remember this? 2000 reversal zone, not the place to buy months in advance. And that's what price does every single time. All in advance. What Fibonacci does, no indicator can ever do this. $700 collapse. When price comes to reversal zone, it's a brilliant thing to remember and exit. If you don't, what is the best case scenario? Pain and torture, as you see in front of you this morning. Knowledgeable trader knows this. This is a pain, this is a problem. This is what Apple had done. This is what oil had done when reaching this level. No surprise. Charts are twins with S&P this morning, as Apple was for months in 2018. In pain. And that's what you see in front of you right now. And that's what knowledgeable trader pays attention to. Ultimate trend inception. Agree? That's why shorts this morning were not an option. This is a place knowledgeable trader looks to buy, not to short into. All identified in mastery course before trading room open. All expected. From trend inception to trend exhaustion, which is again exact same thing what S&P had done on weekly. Trend inception 2016, 1800 number. Trend exhaustion 2018. 2 years later. So here we go. This is where Walmart is now. My goodness, exact same place where Walmart sold off from in 2018. Twice. Knowing what to do with your position is the key. That's why knowledge of price action and Fibonacci is power, no matter what you trade. Walmart at reversal zone. Again and again and again, knowing how to manage your position is key. And that's what you master in the course. So please review the information on the website under courses. Group course 12 weeks. I'm with students 4 days a week. You can view videos at your convenience. You can come to the trading room, all included. Pre-market review, classes twice a week. Private mentoring, I have only one spot open. Group classes included as well. You can view videos at your convenience from previous classes and enjoy access to the trading room during 6 months. When we work one-on-one, we concentrate on the instrument and platform of your choice. You want to have settings identical to mine? I will gladly set up NinjaTrader for you. Right now in private mentoring I work with stock trader, forex trader, option trader, futures trader. Every single trader different account. Every single trader trades different instrument. Any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. Feel free to reach out and you can schedule a phone call as well at 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com.